Matte paint, wraps, and graphics look just as cool on modern cars as they did on classic muscle cars, but it's important to use products specifically formulated for matte surfaces to maintain their cool look, but without staining or altering their appearance. Dr. Beasley's is the recognized name when it comes to matte finish detailing. Matte Body Wash is pH balanced and will safely clean all matte surfaces without adding any gloss or removing previously applied coatings. Matte Paint Cleanser is a detailing clay replacement and also gentle cleanser to clean and exfoliate matte surfaces to prep them for a coating. Matte paint coating is the coating of choice among professional detailers to seal the matte surface with a durable nano ceramic coating that will protect matte finishes for hundreds of washes without altering or changing their appearance. Matte Final Finish is a spray detailer specifically formulated to clean light dust, fingerprints, and smudges while maintaining a uniform matte appearance. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.